Welcome to Flearn. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a mechanical part. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to learn more softwares and tips and tricks. Diameter 42, enter and zoom it. Here dia midpoint 20, enter, and line this point for the mode on F8, here 105, enter, diameter 60, enter, dia 30, enter, and here I want to add tan radius, this point and this point 60, enter, make it trim these things, escape, delete this line, offset 8, enter, offset, trim, escape, and again tan radius, this point and this point 115, enter, make it trim, offset 8, enter, trim, and again tan radius 8, this tan radius 8, enter, trim, this one, okay, and again tan radius, tan 8, enter, tan radius, TTR 8, enter, TTR here and here 8, enter, trim these things, escape, and right click here, options, display, change 500, arc smooth, apply, okay, it's get smoother. Now I'm going to draw the construction line tool, V, enter, and vertical line, enter, and this one offset 4, enter, here 4 and this side 4, and this one offset 3, enter, escape, trim these things, trim this one, and these things, escape, select this one, delete, can delete, finished. And I am now going to add dimensions, dia, and set the units, so the dimension, modify primary units, I'm gonna add 2 points, and text I'm gonna add 10 arrows, 10 millimeters, lines of the margin 10. Okay, set current, close. Now diameter, this one you can see now 60, 42, 10, this one 60, radius, this one 105, 15, this one 60, angle, this one 8, and this one also 8, this angle 8. Okay, and here to here 33. And thank you for watching.